Hey guys, it's Yurei. In today's video, we're going to talk about the psychology behind a compulsive liar. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button so the algorithm knows you like my videos. Your support means so much to me, and it's the little things that keep me going. Do you know someone who always tells white lies? Or they tell outrageous, unbelievable stories that never add up? If so, then you might be dealing with a compulsive liar. Compulsive lying is a serious mental disorder that can have devastating consequences for individuals and those around them. In this video, we will explore the causes of compulsive lying, signs of a compulsive liar, and discuss how to seek treatment. Compulsive lying is a complex psychological issue that stems from several different factors. It can be caused by low self-esteem, insecurity, social anxiety, unresolved childhood trauma or abuse, and even neurological disorders such as brain injury or dementia. Just a whole bunch of hullabaloo. Compulsive liars often come across as charming and charismatic on the surface, but beneath the mask of lies is a person who is struggling with deep psychological pain. Although most people will tell lies from time to time, compulsive liars tend to lie way more frequently. It's not that uncommon for them to make up stories that are completely false or exaggerated in order to make themselves look better. They may also lie about their past accomplishments or relationships in order to make themselves appear more impressive or successful than they actually are. Additionally, compulsive liars may find themselves telling lies to cover up any mistakes they've made, or simply to avoid getting into trouble. They're often compelling storytellers and can be quite convincing when telling their lies. They may have difficulty keeping track of all the details in their stories, and will often contradict themselves. Their body language and facial expression may betray them, as they tend to exhibit signs of discomfort or embarrassment when caught in a lie. They may avoid eye contact during conversations, or act as if they are not really listening to what you have to say. They may also exhibit signs of defensiveness or aggression when confronted about their lies. Remember that most compulsive lying occurs because the person is trying to escape feelings of shame or insecurity, not because they are deliberately trying to be malicious. So, what are the main causes of compulsive lying? Let's find out. Compulsive lying can be a difficult and isolated experience. It may reflect underlying issues such as low self-esteem and a lack of trust, or relationship insecurity. Other potential causes can include compensating for inadequacy, avoiding or hiding negative emotions, and trying to control situations. Depending on the individual, compulsive lying can also be symptomatic of several mental health conditions, such as depression, anxiety, schizophrenia, PTSD, OCD, bipolar disorder, drug addiction, or ADHD. Just a whole bunch more hullabaloo. But if you or someone you know is struggling with compulsive lying, it is vital to seek professional help as soon as possible. A mental health professional, such as a psychologist or a licensed therapist, can provide treatment and support to help manage the symptoms of compulsive lying and address the underlying causes. While treating a person who may consistently lie is a difficult task, it is not impossible. With patience, empathy, understanding, and the right kind of help, most people can eventually learn to manage their compulsive lying habits. Compulsive lying is a serious issue that can have a long-term impact on relationships and self-image. If you think you or someone you know may be struggling with compulsive lying, take the time to reach out for help right away. Remember to be patient with them, as they're probably using lying as a coping mechanism for something else. Drop a comment below if you know somebody who struggles with compulsive lying, or if you've struggled with it yourself and what you did to change. That's all I have for now, and if you liked today's video, make sure to like and subscribe so you can see more of Yurei. Until the next one.